Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. So the topic for today's discussion is interview question: why should I hire someone from outside when I can promote someone inside? Why should I hire someone from outside when I can promote someone inside? Now, after taking your interview, after asking all the necessary questions and all the details that are mentioned in your resume, when you are sitting in front of HR, the HR often asks this question that after all, why should I hire you from outside if a person of same caliber, same experience, same qualification is there in my own company? Why should I not promote that person, and why should I hire you? What is so special about you that I should hire you if the person with same caliber, same qualification and same experience level is right here in my organization? Tell me the reason of hiring you. Now, the HR is saying perfectly right that there is a position for which that HR is hiring, and of course, since the organization is calling people for interview, that's why people are appearing for interview for that position. But definitely, HR can ask this question that if the person of same caliber, same qualification, same experience level is in his own company, why should he hire you? What is so special about you? Ladies and gentlemen, the best answer to this question is whenever the HR is asking you this question, straight away you say that, sir, ma'am, I agree, you are perfectly right that you can hire someone from your organization. But sir, ma'am, I am coming from a different organization, and the organization where I was working, prior to that also, I have worked in many other organizations. So if you hire someone from outside, that person will bring you the experience that what is happening in rest of the organization. What type of strategies your competitors are following? What is the working pattern of your competitor organizations? Because every other organization in the market is your competitor. Every organization is a competitor of other organization. So if you hire me, since I am from a different organization, you will come to know that what were the strategies of that organization. And since I have worked in last 2 to 3 organizations, I can exactly tell you that what strategies these organizations used to follow, what was the work pattern in these organizations, and by taking references of those work patterns, how can we put necessary improvements in our work procedure? By taking references of all the organizations wherever I have worked, how can we upgrade our own organization? If we are well aware of strategies of competitor organization, we will be in position to upgrade ourselves systematically, because at that time we will be in position to understand that what other people are doing, what people in the same business are doing, what people in different business are doing. And that will be helpful for you to project yourself in a better light in front of your customers, in front of your clients, and establish your good reputation in this big corporate market. So this is the reason that why you should hire me, and you should not promote someone from inside. The person who is working with you, he is only familiar with the strategies, plans and policies of your organization. And if he has been working in your organization since last many years, of course, he is not aware of other organizations. He is absolutely aware of your own specific company. But look at me. I am having experiences of more than 3 to 4 organizations. And if you hire me, I will bring all those experiences. I will bring all the positive traits that I acquired in those organizations. And then by making use of all those positive traits that I have learned, I will try to upgrade the reputation of your organization. Whatever a person learns, if he implements it successfully, only then he can ensure growth of the organization along with his own growth. This is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever you have learned in your life, if you are able to implement it systematically in your current organization, it will be highly beneficial for your organization, plus it will be highly beneficial for your personal growth. That's why say to the HR that, sir, ma'am, of course I am from a different department and you can definitely promote someone from inside, but the vision, the insight, the exposure that I am going to bring to your organization, since I have worked from in other organization, that exposure your own employees cannot give you, because they are only aware of your organization, and I am well aware of your competitors also. So this is how you should answer this question, ladies and gentlemen, when the HR says that why should I hire you if the person of same caliber is right here in my own industry. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.